I wanted to show you what I've been doing. I do have some videos pre-recorded. I know you can't see me right now, but I am cleaning, sorting, giving away, throwing away, organizing the entire house for the last 2 days. So that's the roommate's ashtrays, and that's his stuff. I don't know what to do with his stuff, except for I do probably need to get him a dresser, probably get him a room eventually. Those are videos, TV. I have to sort this still. It's, you know, when you're cleaning and you're sorting, you move stuff from one area to where it's supposed to be. Like this is Eric's diaper wipes. They go in there in the storage room, which is a whole nother bunch of mess that I have to deal with. But not today. Okay, these are clothes and things that we are giving away that I've gone through and sorted already. This is stuff that I'm not sure what to do with. Mail, Eric's toys that end up everywhere. That's what that is. These are Christmas gifts in these 2 boxes for next year. Toys. More toys. The waters, I need to move them to over here. This, I need to get the stuff over here so I can get on it today, if I have the energy left. The kitchen, I kind of did this yesterday, but then I went and was doing more stuff, like toys. They go in Eric's room. Cups I found that were put up. Eric puts toys in the sink too. I do my brush cleaning in here, so all this stuff, but this fell in the sink last night, so I gotta clean it. That's the stove, the refrigerator I cleaned. Also, if you can, always give yourself a reminder that you are awesome and that you have everything to do. And then, oh, when I get to it, be great. I organized that last night. As you can tell, I'm a very organized person, but that's just the pantry. Nobody wants to see pantries. You probably don't even want to see this video, but I was trying to. This is where I'm cleaning back here. So everything I find back there, like in the laundry that I needed to fold and all that, it goes here. As you can tell, I haven't done the calendar since 2018. I've been busy. Bathroom is horrible. It's not horrible. I did finish this room, and then I started to look in Eric's room, and I had to move some stuff out of there. This stuff has to be folded up, put in this closet behind the chalkboard for his classroom. This is his classroom that I need to finish cleaning up. There's all the schoolwork. There's all his textbooks and stuff. His little weather thing. Calendar, I did change the calendar. Yay me. I need to do it for February. Okay, this is trash from other rooms that I'm piling here till I can get it outside. That's his desk, box of diapers, couch cover that needs to be cleaned that I put on the floor so I can put more stuff with it. The child's room. Have you ever seen a kid with so many toys? Jason says he overcompensates because Eric don't go a lot of places. And then there's my mom. And just to let you know, there's boxes upon boxes of toys underneath there. I was dusting in here. More toys. He threw the blanket on the floor. Thomas, he was award he won. The backyard that we will be picking up and such. More toys. He's got clothes back there. Not even sure if they fit him anymore. Backpacks. Tickle Me Elmo, he hasn't even opened. And there he is. All right, in here, I am trying to get stuff clean. I do play Fortnite, Destiny 2, and some other games on PlayStation. It's Sims Princess. I'll try to put it in the description bar if y'all play. These are all lotions and that. Book. Tons of movies. I love movies. This is stuff that I've moved. Have to rearrange it in here. This is for medicine for when Eric gets sick. This is his daily medicine. All 12 of those, I guess. movies when his hair was long and curly. I gotta put up. I use that cup for ice. More movies. Books. I love books. My mom, my daddy, mine, and Jason's mom's driver's license. Mine's from Tennessee when I lived there. More stuff. More stuff. Bills and paperwork for Eric. Vitamins. Big pink folder down there. And the thing underneath it is all Eric stuff. His crackers. That is just miscellaneous. The makeup area that I'm organizing. I even added a shelf. Not sure what exactly I'm going to put on the shelf. And I'm going to be doing a declutter soon because these are just getting overrun with stuff. And that's all my skincare. But I'm organizing. I organized all these yesterday and I put this up today. I need to clean it still. I found it in the bottom of a closet. These are all my makeup palettes that I use regularly, usually. Like, I think some of these, I might need to go through and see if I want to even keep some of these. But that's what I've been doing. I even look like crap, so I'm not even showing you myself on this video. But I do have some pre-recorded videos, but I thought I would let y'all know what I've been up to. Yep, see? I found medicine that was supposed to be in here. It's in there now. There's toys on the floor because Eric brought toys in the floor. Yeah. This is my life. Say bye. Eric, say bye.
Mom.